Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the crankshaft position sensor in your Isuzu Rodeo. This one's a 2004. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so we're going to look at your crankshaft position sensor. It's sitting right in there. Now the position where I'm at right now is how you're going to reinstall the crankshaft position sensor. You'll take a pry bar like this right here and go ahead and put it on it. You can see I've about got that pry bar sitting on the crank sensor right there, and then you'll just take like a little hammer. I took a 4-pound hammer and just kind of tapped it in there. You just don't want to tap too hard, but it'll slide back in there because you're gonna notice it's gonna be really hard going back in, really hard coming out. So now we'll look from underneath how you remove it. Okay guys, and here we are underneath the car, and what I've got here is, there we can see it, hopefully. What you're gonna do is take a pick like this and you're just gonna reach around. You can barely see it, but you really just pry, and then you'll reach around on this side and just kind of pry with that pick, and then you also want to stick your pick in and kind of twist it and pop it out that way. But this, I've got my left hand on it, and you can see that's the guy right up there. So it is going to be difficult, but just keep trying with that pick, and you'll definitely be able to pull it out there. So that's it. Thanks for watching.